Hello friends, good evening. So in this video we'll discuss about how we can find the trend change dates in the market using astrology, financial astrology, using some simple concepts, how beautifully you can see some important trend changes coming into the market. Now first question which I've asked a lot of persons whom I've interacted, a lot of traders, they say why astrology works in the market. I mean, there is no science behind it. I mean, that is what they say. But astrology is based on planetary movements, and our ancient, uh, you know, people were so much genius that they have noted down for the next 100 years. We know what will be the movement of a planet, when the new moon will come, when the full moon will come. But these are the generic terms most of the people know: Purnima and Amavasya in Hindi. So our ancients, and so because there is a mathematics involved here, there is a science involved here, so it works. And another reason why they work is because the sun is king of all the planets, and whenever there is an electromagnetic waves, so we get in on sun we get solar winds, right? The solar winds will get I mean, when the wind blows, it impacts other planets. The planets which are nearest to the sun are Mercury, Venus, they gets impacted. So that electromagnetic radiations reaches this particular planet, and the people living on that particular planet also gets impacted, as we are both connected to the earth. And if you walk barefoot on the earth, you get energized, right? So I mean, that is how the electromagnetic waves work. And possibly because of that, the humans react in a particular direction, in a particular way, and this is what we are trying to explore using astrology. Now, I'll give you some simple examples today. So how beautifully the astrology works in the market. Again, to add here, these are not holy grails. These are all probabilities. They work like 60-70% of the time. There will be trades where you will get stopped out, but eventually the trade goes in your favor and you end up making a decent amount of money, provided you follow the rules of the system. So now this is Nifty chart which I've opened in front of you, and Nifty has made a bottom last year around 20th March 2023, correct? And if I open Bank Nifty chart, I'll go to the daily chart. So here we want to find the major support and resistance of the market, sorry, major moves or major swings of the market. So if I go here, so Bank Nifty has made a bottom somewhere here, which is on 16th March. So Bank Nifty made a bottom on 16th March, Nifty made a bottom on 20th March. Now I'm using a software called SolarFire. So in SolarFire, this is how the software looks. You have to go to dynamic and FMS generator. I mean, so from 1st January 2023 till 31st December 2025, let's do for 5 hours. And longitude Mercury, I'm just taking an example of Mercury for this video. I mean, it can go to any other planet. Other planet moves quite slowly, so those dates doesn't come so frequently, so my main focus is always on Mercury. I've selected decimal degrees and click on start, so it will tell me on a particular date what is the movement of Mercury, right? So it was like 293 degrees on 1st January, 2nd January. I'll just export this quickly, um, and we'll open this file to see how was the Mercury movement. So you can export this file and you can bring it on here. So I'll just delete the first two rows I'm using. So yeah, this software is a paid software, but again you can get financial LMAC, and there are a lot of sites which provides what is the movement of a planet on a particular day. One of the sites, let me see if I have it handy. So one of the sites you can use is this planetary positions. Yes, M Panchang. This is a site which can give you the planetary positions in degrees also. So this is one of the sites, yes, 6 degrees and all that, right? So this can be used. So now we'll go back to our example. So first let's see what is that Mercury degree on 16th of March 2000. Sorry, Bank Nifty we'll look for, so 20th March we have 2.04, and on 16th March we have 354. These are the longitude degrees of the Mercury in geocentric latitude on these particular days. Why we consider them? Because these lows and highs, whenever they are formed, they have lot of energy involved there, because lot of insiders, lot of uh, well informed traders, investors, they're buying their position there. That is how the bottoms are made, right? So now I have to go back and see when this particular degree is again coming, 354 degree and around 2 degrees. So I can just put a filter here, and let's first look at 0, 2 degrees. So 1.9, this was there. So nearest to that is 2.04, 2.25. So you can see here, this is Mercury degree. So 20th, 2.04. Next date is coming on 11th March and 19th April. These are the two important dates which falls near 2 degree, right? And similarly, so first let's take, so let's see what happened on 11th March 2023. 11th March 2023. I'll reset the chart. This is Bank Nifty. We'll go to Nifty. Go to daily chart. Let me just, and we'll go to 11th March. Okay, so this is 11th March here, Nifty. These are our SAP levels. So you can see a Nifty again bounce back from this particular level only. So this is an important level which needs to be watched out for. Yep. So we are looking at 11th March. So this is 7th March, then 11th March. Yeah. So on this day, you see Nifty exactly topped out. Next day formed a doji, and the very next day Nifty was down almost 300 points from the top. Right. Once this low was breached, so basically, like I've told you many times, go intraday GAN levels. You select this, put the high and low. So the high on this day was 22526 and low was 22307. You just put these values in the indicator, 22526, 22307, and you get your levels. So we got a very good shot here. We got a shot here also. It didn't hit the stop loss, which was this green line. Next day again, and then it almost did all your 4-5 targets by the end of the, I mean, almost in 3-4 trading sessions. So this is how we can use this. So this is our date. So next date which is coming here is 19th of, which is almost near to this 2.04, not exactly, but near to this is 19th April. So 19th April is this particular day. So again, if this low is breached, then only you have to do short sell in the market. Otherwise, above this high, the market will rally higher. So this is how you can use it. Similarly, let's go and check now for Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty also 16th March was the date. So let's see, 354 degree was the value. So again, I go into this, I'll remove the filters. I go here, select 354, and the value is nearby 354, yep, and 353, yep. So I get a date which is 7th March 2023, which is almost equivalent to 354. So let's see what happened on 7th March 2023 in Bank Nifty. So Nifty topped out on 11th. Let's see what Bank Nifty has done. See here, exactly. Bank Nifty turned on 7th. So Nifty topped out there, but Bank Nifty turned here. It broke this particular GAN level, and from there we had a very significant decline in the market. So with this simple techniques, you can find the major moves in the market. Now, what could be our next date? So these were some previous examples. So now I'll go here and let's quickly look at 26th October, because that is when Nifty, Bank Nifty both made a bottom. 26th October is here, 216.44. This is the degree of Mercury on that particular date. So let's quickly go and check when 216.44 is coming in future. So these dates will be an important trend changing dates. So this is how you can predict the next major turning dates in the market using astrology. So again, we'll go for 216. This is little bit time consuming process, but worth it to capture some big significant moves in the market. So 216 is here. So next date is coming on 18th October 2024 and 11/10/2025. These are the important dates for the market. So this year, 18th October, you can see. Similarly, for any stock, anything, you can just you can find it out. Let's take an example of a stock also. So let's take REC Limited. You can take any stock per se. Uh, So let's quickly go and check what REC has in on a daily chart, where it made a bottom in 2023. So yeah, here we can see this low was 91.40, this low was 91.7th October 22 and 17th October 22, sorry, 17th October 22. Again I go here, I think I've started, so let me quickly do it for 2022 also. Start 17th October 2022 is what we are interested into. So you have to take a major high, major low, and based on that we have to start. 17th October is here. So the degree was, Mercury degree was 188.95, right? So again I go here. So just to get this degree, I've taken this 188.94, so 189 degree. Again we go here and we search for 189. So 188.189, 188, 190. These three, four we can take. Okay. So one date is coming on 10th October 23. Then 11th October, both are nearby. So 10th we can take. And then 1st October 24. So this will not come. Let's quickly check what happened on 10th October 2023. Did it give any significant move? 10th October 2023. September, October, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is 10th October. So you can see here the stock rallied 3% on the very same day. After that we had a small rallies and it moved up significantly, and once this low was breached, so again the rule remains the same. Just keep an eye on the high and low of that particular day. So this was 10th October, right? This is the high, this is the low, and it breached the low, you got a big move, the breach the high, from there a big move came, right? So this is a very simple technique to find important moves in any particular stock using astrology. So thank you very much for watching. I hope this video made sense for you, and if you have any questions you can always comment in the you can always ask in the comment section. I'll be happy to help. Thank you very much for watching. Stay disciplined.